London, a city of extraordinary beauty, offers a captivating backdrop for photography enthusiasts. Its unique blend of timeless charm and modern vibrancy creates a visual tapestry that's both enchanting and diverse. The rich history and iconic landmarks provide a classical aesthetic, while the contemporary architecture and dynamic street scenes offer an exciting contrast. Whether capturing the elegance of centuries-old architecture, the lush greenery of its parks, or the colorful diversity of its neighborhoods, London invites photographers to explore its multifaceted beauty. Welcome, fellow adventurers and photography enthusiasts! Step into the exciting realm of Travel 195, where a warm reception awaits you. Come along on an enthralling voyage to uncover the marvels of all 195 countries that comprise our amazing planet. Plus, there's an amazing opportunity waiting for you. Simply click the link below to access Travel 195's meticulously crafted free documentation guide, designed to simplify your travel arrangements. Bid farewell to any doubts or concerns during immigration procedures and embrace a world of meticulously organized adventures. The play of light and shadow along its historic streets, the reflection of the city's grandeur in the Thames, and the harmonious coexistence of the old and the new make London an exceptional canvas for photography, offering endless opportunities to capture the city's unique character and charm. And to help you with your passion for photography, here are the 10 best places to take photos in London. Let's start with number 10, Westminster Bridge and Big Ben. The suggested route for photography enthusiasts in London offers a whirlwind journey through the city's most iconic landmarks. The visual odyssey commences at the historic Houses of Parliament, followed by captivating encounters with Big Ben, the London Eye, and the Millennium Bridge, all within a single picturesque sweep along the River Thames. En route, make sure not to overlook the obligatory photo opportunity at a classic red telephone booth, a must addition to any Instagram feed. To fully immerse in the local experience, consider hopping aboard a traditional red double-decker bus, an integral component of London's cityscape. It's a photo-worthy adventure through the city, with each snapshot adding a touch of British charm and humor to your visual journey. This route not only provides a feast for the eyes, but also captures the essence of London's iconic charm, all in one exciting photographic expedition. Number 9. King Charles Street. Just a short stroll from Westminster Bridge, King Charles Street remains an unassuming yet extraordinary gem for photographers. Its cinematic legacy is showcased in Hollywood classics such as Sherlock Holmes and The Avengers, making it a captivating backdrop for capturing the quintessential ambiance of historic central London. With its strategic proximity to the Tube, this spot offers a splendid perspective of the London Eye, Parliament buildings, and the iconic Big Ben. Mastering the intricate web of the London Underground is an essential experience for any visitor, adding depth to the journey and cementing King Charles Street's significance. It's not only a sanctuary for photographers, but a vital element of the London adventure, blending cinematic allure with the everyday vibrancy of the city. Number 8. Tower Bridge and Tower of London. Tower Bridge, a helpful note to distinguish it from London Bridge, and the Tower of London, situated on the South Bank, stand as quintessential London landmarks. For those in search of the ultimate experience, the most enchanting time to stroll along the Thames is during the golden hour, particularly at sunrise when the scenery can be relished in solitude. Beyond the chance to behold one of London's most iconic attractions, the panoramic cityscape visible from Tower Bridge boasts unparalleled splendor. It offers a matchless vista of the city, a view that's challenging to surpass, further solidifying the bridge's status as an indispensable destination for anyone exploring the heart of London. This scenic expedition provides a glimpse into the timeless charm of the city and ensures that Tower Bridge remains a beloved and enduring symbol of London's allure. Number 7. Notting Hill. The renowned Portobello Road stretches across nearly the entire length of Notting Hill, and it becomes a must-visit destination on Saturdays when it transforms into a bustling marketplace featuring a wide array of offerings, from pastries and vintage clothing to antiques. St. Luke's Mews is home to the iconic Pink House made famous in the movie Love Actually. After indulging in fantasies of Hugh Grant sweeping one off their feet, a visit to the Churchill Arms is in order. This picturesque pub, with its charming exterior, is a delightful spot for capturing photographs. Notting Hill, with its rows of vividly colored houses in various pastel shades, offers an abundant selection of Instagram-worthy photography locations, leaving visitors far from disappointed. Number 6. Covent Garden and Piccadilly. On the Covent Garden and Piccadilly route, Trafalgar Square stands out as a prime destination, positioned at the very heart of London's culturally vibrant West End. Just a brief walk away from the bustling Leicester Square, renowned for its cinemas and theaters, Trafalgar Square also boasts the eloquent National Gallery. Beyond its cultural significance, it serves as an ideal starting point for a leisurely journey towards Buckingham Palace, treating visitors to a picturesque view of the iconic London Eye along the way. This location encapsulates the quintessential London experience, fusing art, history, and regal landmarks into one captivating ensemble. Trafalgar Square offers the perfect launchpad for those eager to delve into the rich cultural and historical tapestry of the city. Number 5. Shoreditch and Brick Lane. For a dash of distinctive charm in the heart of London, Shoreditch comes highly recommended. It's a neighborhood bursting with a riot of colorful graffiti, rugged streets, and an infectious energy that practically crackles with life. Make sure you pay a visit to Spitalfields Market, a delightful covered haven, a true blessing when London's traditional drizzle makes an appearance, offering a treasure trove of local art, vintage curiosities, and more. Shoreditch is where the creative souls and tech aficionados have recently injected a fresh lease of life into this quirky London corner, where curry houses, street art, and trendsetters happily coexist in a uniquely vibrant tableau. And when it comes to architectural marvels, the Barbican Centre is an absolute must-see along the Brick Lane and Spitalfields route. Its brutalist design is nothing short of iconic and a lovable quirk in London's architectural tapestry. Number 4. Buckingham Palace and Mayfair. One cannot get more quintessentially London than Buckingham Palace, a true icon of the city. While an encounter with Her Majesty the Queen may be a bit of a long shot, witnessing the storied changing of the guard is undoubtedly a bucket list-worthy experience. Any comprehensive guide to London's prime photography locations would be remiss without the inclusion of Buckingham Palace. To secure a prime vantage point, it's advisable to arrive early and stake out a favorable spot. Following this royal spectacle, continue your leisurely amble through central London, transitioning into the upscale realm of Mayfair. Buckingham Palace serves as a captivating starting point for a stroll that reveals the city's rich tapestry, blending regal grandeur with the chic elegance of Mayfair's posh enclave. It's a picturesque journey, offering a taste of both London's royal heritage and its contemporary sophistication. Number 3. Shad Thames. Among London's most iconic landmarks, Tower Bridge stands boldly across the River Thames. However, for those who delve beyond the surface, there's a hidden gem awaiting discovery on the Tower Bridge route, Shad Thames, a personal favorite of Jimmy's. This charming locale offers a captivating blend of historic allure and contemporary vibrancy. The cobbled streets of Shad Thames wind their way amidst historic warehouses, their facades adorned with ivy, and contemporary apartments with picturesque views. This eclectic mix creates an atmosphere that beautifully encapsulates London's past and present. The area is dotted with quaint boutiques, stylish cafes, and delightful waterside views, making it a delightful destination for anyone seeking a taste of authentic London charm. Jimmy's fondness for this spot on the Tower Bridge route is a testament to the city's ability to surprise and enchant even in its most famous corners. Number 2. Millennium Bridge. Are you acquainted with the famous British wizard Harry Potter? Die-hard fans will immediately spot the Millennium Bridge from the climatic scenes in the final movie, where it met a dramatic end. Worry not though, in reality, the bridge stands intact and as magnificent as ever, providing breathtaking vistas of St. Paul's Cathedral. Millennium Bridge is a prominent feature along both the iconic London and St. Paul's Cathedral routes. After a photo shoot, visitors can conveniently make their way to the Tate Modern, a nearby art haven showcasing modern art. This dynamic combination of movie nostalgia, architectural beauty, and contemporary creativity makes Millennium Bridge an enticing stop for photographers and Harry Potter aficionados alike, providing a multifaceted experience in the heart of London. Number 1. Regent's Park. Located between the city of Westminster and the borough of Camden, one discovers a delightful urban haven in the heart of the bustling metropolis. Those seeking a cozy retreat from the city's hustle and bustle need look no further. True to its name, Regent's Park stands as one of London's royal parks, enchanting visitors with its meticulously groomed grounds and elegant features, including graceful fountains and meandering pathways. This oasis, nestled amid the urban chaos, offers an intimate escape from the city's relentless pace. It's as if nature and royalty conspired to create a perfect sanctuary right in the heart of London. With its picturesque charm and regal ambiance, Regent's Park ensures that visitors enjoy a resplendent experience filled with moments of tranquility and a dash of regal humor, all under the city's vibrant skyline. If the selection of 10 best places for photography in London has stirred your curiosity and ignited your interest in these amazing locations, get ready for an exciting journey. Delve into our channel where you'll uncover a trove of engaging videos. Simply follow this link to embark on even more thrilling adventures, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. We eagerly anticipate hearing about the unforgettable experiences you'll have, so please share them in the comments section.